Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make this healthy, fluffy yogurt cottage cheesecake. Let's begin. In a bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/4 cup sugar until pale. Then add 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup cottage cheese, and 1/4 cup Greek yogurt. Whisk until smooth. Then sift in the cake flour and baking powder. Mix until combined and smooth. Do not overmix. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar until frothy. Then gradually add 1/4 cup sugar while continuing to whip. Beat until stiff peaks form. Gently fold about 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk mixture to lighten it. Add the rest of the meringue and gently fold with a rubber spatula until just combined. Do not overmix or the batter will deflate. Pour the batter into the pan. And tap it gently to release large air bubbles. Bake bain-marie style for 30 minutes at 330 Fahrenheit. Remove the cake from the water bath. Immediately invert the pan and let it cool completely in this position to prevent the cake from collapsing. You could sprinkle icing sugar over it. Top with your favorite berries if you like. This cheesecake is high in proteins, healthy and delicious. My family loves this pillowy soft cake that melts in your mouth. Give this cake a try and I promise you, you will love it. Thanks for watching.